We invited both sets of our parents out today for a nice Sunday lunch. We did reverse seared New York strips on the pellet grill. I used the meter probe to keep up with the internal temperature of the steak, as that's very important in this process. It's important, as often as possible, to get the probe directly in the center of the cut of meat you are cooking, so that you get a true reading on the internal temperature. Now that I've had the steaks prepared, I've marinated and put the spices on. They're going on the grill for about 45 minutes to 1 hour on 225, basically just kind of a low smoke until we bring the internal temperature up. With the meter here, you can see the app on my phone. We want the internal temperature at 110 degrees. Then we will pull them, wrap them in tin foil, and let them rest while we turn the grill up to 450 or as high as it will go to sear the meat when we put it back on. We will then sear the meat at about 4 minutes to 5 minutes per side, depending on the desired cook. If you want medium rare, 4 minutes should be fine depending on the thickness of your steak. We have placed the steaks back on the grill for 4 minutes, turned them, and now put butter on top to add a little extra flavor and juiciness to the steaks. And here you can see the finished product, a delicious cut of meat cooked to perfection, and everyone was thrilled with the steaks. Here's the recipe. You can find it on the blog at mdenterprisesok.com.